What's up, guys? How's it going? Day 2 of vlogging. Sisters basically make me go outside, which I really don't want to. Cause like 2 feet of snow out there, so there we go.
Oh my god. Harry, don't do that.
Hi. She's making me go outside with my voice. So I don't know if I have my voice, like, it's there and then it leaves, like, why leave?
I'm not vlogging until I get outside. Well, I'm gonna be in a big poopy outfit then I'll be vlogging.
Alright. Still gonna put my jacket on and whatnot. And
I didn't post a video yesterday.
oh, I did.
Actually, I exited out of YouTube and then deleted everything. So I'm like, oh, no, that means I'm not uploading today. So this is gonna be day 1 of vlogging.
Well,
And how can you do that? Not pushing the freaking button. How can you do that?
you just click on it and it goes.
Oh, I did not know that.
Alright, but yeah, like I said, I'm still sick, obviously. It's been a week, like I said yesterday, maybe longer. But, my voice is here, but like not. I am vlogging right now, ma'am. I am vlogging right now.
I can't vlogging. I vlog, but I'm going outside. I'm like vlogging outside.
But, we're gonna go outside and like die in this like treacherous snow. She's shoving her fat suit on.
I know, it was my shirt.
So I gotta get my stuff on and we're gonna go outside and we're gonna see how tall the snow is or whatever. You got a dab.
Whoa!
We're outside and it's really snowy out here. I can't even get off my sidewalk, not sidewalk, porch, without falling down. Oh my god. It's like really, there's a lot of snow. Like, it's so bad.
Mom. Oh God.
Just jump down. You can't even,
Actually, I sat in because
like, my picnic table's right there and you can't even see it.
I didn't like,
I can't even walk. Here I come.
I can't get up.
Okay, goddamn. Oh my god, you fat! Well, me size.
It's so bad right here.
I can't.
This vlog's not gonna be long because I don't know how else to vlog.
Wow. Just sit down. Sissy, no, do that. I wanna.
Gotta sit down at my picnic table. I'm afraid I'm gonna like fall right into it. Where is it? Found it. All right. I'm on my picnic table now.
Kika, you know, but this is the first place some kids.
I can't get out.
You know, so much.
We're like snowed in. Oh god.
So much.
How did you get out? Ah! I fell down. I fell. I didn't mean to. I'm trying not to drop my phone. If I drop it, I would like might be fucked. My pants are all snowy and everything. I gotta watch. 'Cause I have your phone in my pocket.
Yeah.
My god, my hand is like cold.
I can't. I'm stuck. I can't get up here.
I'm pretty sure our school is gonna get called off tomorrow too.
Hold on, let me go over here.
Because if the school buses drive through this, like if we have school tomorrow, we're definitely not going. Well, I'm definitely not going, but yeah, I know. So she's not gonna send us. Even though I'm on that like verge if I miss school, I get like fines and stuff. I don't even know how to get on the road. If you can't hear me, it's because I don't have my headphones in. I did yesterday. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, this outline's way better. Look on the road.
We're finally on the road now. Where did Logan go?
Yeah, Winter 2K17.
Yeah, this is like the big one. This is like the only one that actually is really big.
No, 2015 was. And 16.
Yeah, but apparently,
16 was.
apparently 24 years ago, on this same day, this is the same snowstorm.
1993.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's 24
Nature
years
hates
ago.
us.
Huh?
Mother Nature hates us.
She hates everyone.
Logan! Logan, look!
There are a lot of people on my street just snowing, or shoveling their snow. They're like bringing it up to my house. It's whatever though. You can't even tell that we shoveled our sidewalk because our sidewalk's not even like uncovered. A lot of people on my street look at me like I'm like stupid or something. I'm just vlogging, you know, it's whatever. Oh God. I'm like knee deep in this. Somebody pee right here?
Logan, try to climb up to the top.
Oh, not my sheet.
I don't even know what to do. Like, I literally hate snow, and I don't even know why I'm out here. That's a big snow pile. Look how big that is. You can't even see the neighbor's house.
This is just up front of our house, to be exact.
I can see Logan in the background.
Oh.
My phone
Oh,
will
that
like
one over there.
wet. Oh, and my phone like I accidentally clicked the home button, and it like exited off, so I had to restart again.
Arms.
Oh, I got like something like.
Step up here.
Can't get up.
What did this? I'm gonna kill you. Oh shit.
Holy crap.
It took you like 10 minutes to get up there.
Hi, Mom.
I heard somebody bang it. I don't know who that was.
It's Caitlin.
I'm gonna climb up the big snow pile. Sierra took 10 years to get up. Without me falling. Hey, hold on. Oh Jesus! Here comes a snow plow. We're gonna die. I'm going right through the snow. I can't get up. Do you need to hurry up because I'm so thick as my eyeball.
We just took a picture, guys. My mom's up in her window, and we just took a picture.
Yeah, a little bit
We
off.
should update them a little bit more. I'm doing backflip.
We're like on like the highest like thing.
Logan, no, I'm not telling you.
I was like, Moo, where am I supposed to go? She just like tumbles it down the hill. How am I getting down actually? I might as well just fall down.
There's people down there.
There's just,
The people down there went to like Greg's house, old house.
yeah.
I bet you they're like, holy shit, what happened here?
People from like out of the state are probably like, what in the hell?
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, if you live down like by Florida or somewhere like that, then yeah, but like I can't get up.
They probably think I'm recording them, but I'm really not. I have a selfie. It's like the selfie, the inside camera. So, but I don't know. My hand's starting to freeze.
There's too much snow for Sierra.
There's too much snow for anybody. But like I said yesterday, I'm probably gonna start vlogging and whatnot, just about anything, just here and there. It might be an everyday thing. It might not. I don't know. I'm just gonna follow her. Sierra knows what she's doing. Come on, Logan. Wait, where are you going? Okay, I'm just gonna follow Sierra's. She's probably gonna kill me, but it's whatever. There's probably gonna be a long video again today. Surprise, it's even going up. Like yesterday, I posted a video up and actually my first vlogging video, and it actually went up on my Facebook and my YouTube. And I sent like little previews of it on my Snapchat, my other Snapchat, and kind of my Instagram too. So, this might be an everyday thing. I haven't decided yet. I might just end it here because my hands are freezing and they're turning like red. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. So, hope you liked the video. Go check out my other one from yesterday, or any of my other ones. I'm probably gonna hit by this truck. Hold on. If you liked the video, like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And yeah, just hit the bell button to get notified when I post. And I hope you're not snowed in like we are, because we are like snowed in like terribly. And it's pretty bad. I'll probably post tomorrow maybe, so hope you all have a good, I think it's Tuesday.